This is what I'm doing out here, y'all. You want to know what we're doing? This is what we're doing. As far as you can see, both directions. 15 miles of it, both directions. And it hadn't even started. It starts tomorrow.
Nope.
This is the prelim. Everywhere, everything you can think of. God, you should have seen some of this stuff. Why did you see my video?
That's my girlfriend's for me. Boy, that's a good truck.
89.
He built that himself?
Some of my rolling footage here. This is like one of many, many moments.
Hey, put big parts on.
Uh-oh.
It pushes too much oil up to the top of the valve cover
Yeah?
and makes it suck it through the PCV. Let me give it a little gas. I didn't pump it enough.
Sounded smooth. Good compression. No big deal. Oh well.
I just drove the damn thing.
Might be time for a new one.
Let me grab my booster. I'll let you hear it run.
All right. I'd like to hear it. You probably need to start it anyways.
I do.
I'm in Marion, Illinois, checking out my new friend's rides. He helped me out. My Mercedes was giving me some problems. This is 67 383 stroker we're going to bust off. Like I said, you never know what's tucked away in all these little barns and buildings. Get to know some folks and make some friends. This is his buddy. He's passed away now. Tribute to Charlie. See some cool rides. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got a nice little chop to it.
What's that?
It's got a nice little chop to it.
Oh, yeah. Got flow masters on it. Headers.
Yeah.
Vintage air. Air's cold as hell.
No big deal.
Yeah.
I didn't. It don't have to be. They never are.